So it's 3:29 in the morning at the moment, and I almost did not record this. I don't care about how I look right now or what time is it, how messy my hair look. But what I do care about is me recording this video. So for a decent period of time, I have been postponing, posting, recording videos, which I know I want to do at some point. Abhi I was laying in my bed. मैं उठा, I got hold of whatever I could in the moment, पहना and I hit record. So I don't know how this video is going to turn out. It's going to be a short video, but one thing I for sure know is कि ये video post होने वाली है. Irrespective of मैं इसमें क्या बोलने वाला हूँ, irrespective of how it turns out, मैं ये post करने वाला हूँ. That I know for sure. Because I've decided I'm going to do it anyway. So if you're seeing this, go and watch the full video. Now honestly, I cannot believe that I'm finally recording a video that I'm going to post. Not because it's hard, because I've always been delaying this for so long. And there's something always, कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा मैं बहाना ढूंढ लेता हूँ. अभी एग्ज़ाम्स चल रहे हैं, अभी टेस्ट है, अभी कुछ मैं और कर रहा हूँ, अभी बाल अच्छे नहीं लग रहे हैं, अभी टाइम नहीं है, फ़ोन अच्छा नहीं है, कैमरा क्वालिटी. And things just keep going like that. And I think the real reason is not any of that. It's just the fear that I may not make it, and on top of that, people who know me might see me not making it. तो वो जो double-edged fear है, डर है, that probably has stopped me more than anything else. And the funny part is I've already done tons of hard things. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे मुश्किल चीज़ें करने का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है या मैं मुश्किल चीज़ें करने से भागता हूँ. It's just also the background that I come from, because I've gone from someone who wasn't confident in his own body to actually building myself from the very scratch. And that didn't happen overnight. That took consistency, that took discipline. And I know this will take the same. It took showing up even when I didn't feel like it, and somehow I forgot that. I just got reminded by someone, or rather something, कि वो सारी चीज़ें I've already faced, so why not take this leap? Why not take this step? Why am I too scared to actually post myself? So this video is just me deciding that I'm going to do this finally and properly for the next 4 or 5 months, irrespective of what the progress is, irrespective of subscribers आए, views आए, नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता. I'm going to do it because I want to enjoy the process. Obviously, ढंग से करूँगा. I'll be consistent. I'll be learning from my mistakes, improve करूँगा, but the consistency part, it will definitely be there. That I promise myself. Because I don't want to live with the regret later कि बाद में अभी ये ना करके I ask myself this question later, what if I had actually tried? And इसीलिए I don't care if this gets 10 views, if it gets 20 views. I actually don't care. मुझे नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता. I'm posting this out for myself. I don't care if anybody watches. I just want to be able to look back and say that I showed up. I gave it a real shot. No overthinking, no excuses. So perhaps this is day one. I mean, not technically. I started posting shorts a week ago, and that already fetched me like 20k views in a week. Now I know just because they're shorts, 20k views mean nothing, close to nothing. But I didn't even expect like 501k views. So 20k views is a big deal for me. And that is why I know I'm not doing this for validation or for the views. At least primarily. But yes, formally and officially, this is day one, and let's see where this goes.